Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. Today is maintenance 15, so let's go ahead and get started. It's just surprising how fast time is flying by. We are moving at a rapid pace this year. It's hard to believe that it's 2/3 of the way over. Yeah, it's crazy. Or almost, because August is the 8th month of the year. So 8 out of 12 is 2/3 or something like that. Yeah. I can't write, I can't do math, and I don't know what I'm good for right now. But anyways, just continuing the grind, the good grind, not messing up on my letters this time. Although I'm sure now that I said that, I'll either mess up in this very end part or when I move on to the lowercase letters. Only time will tell. So let me go ahead and move on to those, and now I should be extra vigilant so that I don't mess anything up. So far so good. In fact, it's starting to look pretty good. Pretty good. Yep. Yeah, still good so far. And, wow, it's been a while since I've made an error-free maintenance video, so that's good, as you can see in the previous videos. Unfortunately, I tend to make mistakes. But we're all human, so I guess that's only natural. Anyways, this is maintenance 16. So thanks for watching, and let's go ahead and make sure that it focuses. Again, I'm still using a camera that's not great, but gotta do what you gotta do. Alrighty, goodbye.